Changing AC power cable connections. On the control panel of the reused DG, set the DG to manual mode and stop the DG. Press the DG emergency stop button. Switch off the DG AC output circuit breaker. Switch off the upstream AC input circuit breaker for the mains. Switch off the two AC input circuit breakers of the ATS. Connect one end of the startup, shutdown, and resetting cable for the reused DG, DG1 to the DG1 CTL and RST1 ports on the GIM01C. Connect the other end to the DG startup, shutdown, and resetting cable port on DG1. Flip the BCU 1203A power switch to off. Install the DC charging cable between the DG battery and the BCU 1203A. Use a clamp meter to measure the two AC inputs of the ATS and ensure that the voltage is 0 volts. Connect one end of the AC voltage sampling cable to the two circuit breakers for the AC inputs of the ATS. Connect the other end to the DG1, A1, B1, C1, and N1, and mains DG2, A2, B2, C2, and N2 terminals on the SAU. Install a current transformer for each of the three-phase wires in the AC power cable for the two AC inputs of the ATS. Connect the other end of the transformers to the DG1, IA1, IB1, and IC1, and mains DG2, IA2, IB2, and IC2 terminals on the SAU.